Good morning, everybody. Today I want to show how to go to different content according to you required in different menu in the drop down menu, or you can get the content by searching in my blog biologylifescience.school.blog. So first of all, open the site, my blog. This is the blog. I will show you here. This is the blog. Once you open this blog, you go to the blog. You will go to the blog home page. Blog home page. It is 4 different menus you can get: blog home, content, contact, and blog feed. After that, whatever content you like, you want actually required, you have to go to the content menu to click on this. When you click on this, a drop down menu will come, and here different categories are given here. Different categories are given here, like question papers, 11th and 12 CBSE pattern materials, 11th and 12 biology materials, old NCERT books, teachers e-diary, back to basics, MCQs, pedigree analysis, CBSE revised curriculum. This is last year's quizzes, PowerPoints, videos, study materials, notes, practicals, experiments and projects, book links and e-books, NEET and medical entrance exams, NTIC, KVPI, Technothlon, JNS, MBA, NCSE and other competitive exams and competitions, PGTY and other recruitment papers. So again, when you go to this drop down menu, suppose you want to go to this one, question papers and marking scheme. Again, you may get sub menus. Here 2 are there: question papers with marking scheme, CBSE question papers with marking schemes also there. So you will go to the question papers with marking scheme. When you click it, you can see here 11th biology half yearly, 11th half yearly, previous year's chapter wise, and different test question papers like UT1 or PT1, UT2 half yearly, session ending question paper, marking schemes, 8th science question papers, 9th biology papers, 11th biology chapter wise papers, and you can go below. When you go, you can get 12th biology chapter wise question papers. So same, if you want to PowerPoints or any resource material or teacher's diary also, you can go there. So suppose one more I will show. Suppose you want to get PowerPoints, then you can go here. Then when you click on the PowerPoints, you will get all the PowerPoints. This is the drive shared for 6th to 10th science, 11th, 12th biology, updated one, and 11th biology PowerPoint second one. This is PowerPoints and concept. 12th biology PowerPoints, 11th biology PowerPoints, like that. So when you click on that, you can go to that particular categories, or you can call widgets, and you can find all the files which you can download it. So when you click on the blog home, you will go there. So whenever any content is updated or recently added, to know it, just you click on this here, enter your email and subscribe, so that you will be informed. So any content is added, updated, recently added, you will get here. At last, I want to thank Principal Sir Sri S.S. Raja Sir, who was the course director of in-service course, and co-course director Sri Agarwal Sir, Principal, KV Nausanabad 2. They trained this one, how to create a blog in the WordPress and how to update it and how to create all these things. Dr. Vijay Kumar Sir, PGT Biology SVN 1 and PGTCS of that school, who taught all these things, and they are in touch with us till now, and they are guiding us and they are taking the follow-up action till now. So I am grateful to them. And Prasanna madam, who was also resource person, along with Dr. Vijay Kumar sir, PGT biology, who was also resource person. And also I am very thankful to PGTCS Arvind Srivas sir, Nausanabad, to who guided me in technical information. A lot of doubts I asked, he trained me, helped me, and I am also helpful to all PGT biology community, because I uploaded here not only my content, I compiled and keeping here going on update, so that everybody can download whenever they require, easily accessible to everyone. So the list is very long. I cannot tell all the names of the PGT bio of the groups who shared without any hesitation whenever we required. So just with the due permission of theirs, I am adding and updating, and I am requesting everybody, please go through it and give your valuable suggestions, comments, or positive, negative, whatever may be, to improve this blog so that it will be useful to everybody. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Please give your comments and give your suggestions.